So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with another sick video on the Honda Integra turbo build, and today we are down at IWS Developments, and yes guys, the Honda Integra is getting a crazy bespoke exhaust system. Guys, you do not want to miss this, so stay tuned and let's get it. But before we get into today's video, I just want to give a massive shout out to Pouch for reaching out and supporting the channel by sponsoring today's video. And if you don't already know about Pouch, it's basically a free browser extension that seeks out the best discount codes and applies them automatically when you're shopping online, saving you time and money. Guys, Christmas is coming, and if you live in the UK and want to make sure you don't miss out on any Christmas discounts or offers, you need Pouch in your life. And the cool thing is, Pouch works on over 3,000 UK websites. That's more than any other extension that offers a similar service. So even if you already have any other extensions installed and you're in the UK, Pouch will have even more vouchers for you. And check this out, if you're like me and hate paying over the odds for car parts, this is where Pouch can save you a whole load of money. For example, if I was to buy some Brembo brake pads for the Honda Integra from Euro Car Parts, at checkout they come to £56.99. And with a simple click of the mouse, Pouch has saved me a crazy £23.94p, and it was so simple to do. Guys, it's a no-brainer, it's free, and it saves you money. So guys, make sure you check the links below and head over to joinpouch.com/i/gas to install Pouch in time for your Christmas shopping. It only takes 2 clicks to install, download it and pin it to your browser. You won't regret it. Let's get back to the video. So yes guys, as the intro says, today, for those of you who know already, you know it's going to be sick, because today we are back down at IWS Developments. These guys make the craziest exhaust systems. And as you would have seen on my last video and perhaps the video before that, the exhaust on this is pretty much non-existent, guys. It's like, it comes off the downpipe for about, I don't know, half a foot, and it's pretty much a downpipe extension. So although this car, it's cool when it's kind of stationary, revving and all that, and it makes nice turbo whistling noises, it's literally driving with no exhaust on. And I mean, it was cool for about the first 2 minutes of me driving down the road. Then you realize when your ears start bleeding, this ain't a good idea. So you're probably thinking it's a bit strange that we're kind of doing this video before the first drive, but what I wanted to do is make sure everything was right before we actually done that first drive video. Plus I did a little tester video, and to tell the truth, you can't hear me. The drone was so incredible, it was mad. Literally, I couldn't hear myself think. Guys, there is so much going on today. I'm not even gonna talk for too long. So guys, let's get to it and crack on. Stuart, I'm back.
Yeah, nice to see you, Jamie.
Nice to see you too, bro. And as I say, we were speaking off camera, and after like the results of the Rs5 exhaust, and you know, just the sound and you know the craftsmanship that went into the build, mate. I'm honestly, I'm not going anywhere else for any exhaust.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Today I've brought you my Honda, which perhaps isn't your normal thing, but we will get into that.
Yeah.
There will be people who have seen the IWS brand before and know a little bit about you, but there will also be people who haven't and they're new to you. Do you want to kind of explain to everyone who you are, what you do?
Yeah, well, IWS specialises in the manufacture of high-end exhaust products. We also do bespoke systems like what we're going to do for your Honda. We specialise in the more exotic materials such as Inconel 625, titanium grade 2 and 321 stainless steel.
Got you.
We also do 304 stainless steel as well.
Seeing the craftsmanship and the process that goes into it, and you know, just the finished result is just, it's an art form, like, you know?
Yeah, well, it's just like a consistent drive towards making high quality products, and that's what the IWS brand stands for. The feedback
on the previous video is second to none, like, you know, and it's only when you take a step back and look in from the outside that you realise what you guys actually get up to, and you know the levels that go into it.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it, and obviously thanks to the Gas Gang as well for the support and the you know, sharing the love and stuff. It's been great.
Yeah. When I called you, I was kind of like, should I call him? I've got a Honda now. I'm not like slating Hondas or anything like that, but I know that obviously when you do stuff, it's to the highest level.
Yeah.
Didn't know if you would want to make a system for it, if I'm honest. And the conversation went like, you know, if we're going to do it, we're going to do it properly.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? And that's why we're here.
We'll literally start from just raw tube, and then we'll bend it all in-house.
Yeah.
We'll actually build the silencer in-house. We have the end plates all pressed.
Yeah.
Like literally everything is made.
Start to finish.
Yeah.
So as far as the system that we're going to do, it's obviously already got a catless downpipe on it, and then it's got what I'm going to describe as a downpipe extension, because calling it exhaust is being kind. It's like driving around with no exhaust. So today we are doing a catback exhaust bespoke titanium system, right? Cool. And yeah, man, bro, I can't wait to get into this because the Integra is coming together. I'm glad you're going to be a part of the build. And I know we've got a proper busy day today.
Yeah,
so,
got our work cut out.
Exactly. So start to finish, bro, shall we get on with it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. So Stuart's actually got the downpipe off, as you can see. Actually, I called it a downpipe, it's not even a downpipe. That is the exhaust, but it looks like a downpipe. So he's got the exhaust off.
Tip.
the tip. And I was saying, literally, now with that off, it will sound exactly the same.
Yeah, more or less, yeah.
You know what I mean? That is
a great deal of tube there, isn't it?
Yeah, so, yeah, that's what we were working with, guys. So, yeah, it's all crazy. Section of the exhaust is now pretty much welded up and ready to go, and we're at the bit where it's now making up the silencer, which is quite intriguing actually, and there's quite a bit to it. Do you want to talk us through exactly what we're doing here and how it's done?
Sure. Well, basically we get the end plates all pressed.
Okay.
This makes up the end of the silencer, as you can see there.
Okay, and that's titanium again. That's
titanium, yeah.
All titanium.
So these ones we get pressed out of 1.2mm titanium sheet.
Okay.
And then we have perforated tube, which we wrap in a stainless steel wool to protect like the fiberglass from the flames and bangs it.
Yeah.
I guess yours is going to have.
Damn right.
Yeah, we like these ones because the sound's like uninterrupted.
Got ya.
And like for flow, horsepower, that sort of thing.
And this was also, you kind of gave me the option off camera of how big I wanted the silencer. And obviously the size of the silencer, the amount of the baffles, you also said can affect, well, obviously it affects the sound of the car.
I spoke to you, got a real understanding of what you was looking for, and then I can make a sort of a judgment on the size. Gone for a 6-inch round by 14-inch rear silencer. This part we will wrap in this Acousta-Fill, so this will actually expand in the silencer as well, so there has to be a little bit of room.
Just like that. And it's quite interesting because this is the stuff people don't see, like, you know. And
I mean, normally, like, all places, you just buy the silencer already done, whereas we can, you know, get an understanding of like what the customer's looking for, and then pick off a shelf exactly the bits that we need, and then we'll just put it on the positioner, weld it up,
and done.
It's all good.
While Stuart is hard at work making this crazy titanium bespoke exhaust for my Honda Integra Type R, I just thought I'd show you some of the stuff they got in here, because guys, when I tell you, like, what he does is, I'm telling you, it's an art form. I'm blown away. Every time I come to this place, I learn something new, and I see the true engineering that goes into making a quality exhaust system. And guys, another cool thing about IWS is they don't just manufacture bespoke exhaust for their own customers. They actually manufacture and develop exhaust systems for loads of different companies, keeping that crazy high standard and level of fit and finish. There's 10 manifolds here. I'm not 100% sure what these bad boys are for, but check out the exhausts here. Look at this, another titanium one. This is for a Porsche, I'm pretty damn sure. But if you look at the finish of it, man, it just looks so sick and super light, again, being titanium. And then coming over to this product, now keen-eyed viewers might remember this product here. This is actually an Rs5 Downpipe. These guys manufacture these now. These are a big hit with the Rs5 boys. And shout out to everyone who watched my Rs5 video, because you would have seen my car turn into a beast when we fitted these IWS catless downpipe. And guys, also, they don't only come in this finish, they lag them, they literally ceramic coat them. They will do what you want, decat and sports cats or whatever you want. And as I say, if you remember the last video, my car turned into an absolute beast. Just look at the quality of them, the quality of the wells, like, you know what I mean? It just looks absolutely incredible. I think these are called Helical Valves, very expensive. This is what is used as OEM products for like Lamborghini on their exhaust valves. Coming over here, you'll see an array of different flanges and, you know what I mean, spacer plates and all the stuff that I'll probably mess up trying to pick out the right name for. But as you see, a lot goes into what he does and everything is made in-house. So I've got to rate these guys. As I say, you guys who remember watching the last video were probably as blown away as I was to see such engineering going into exhausts, it being all handmade in the UK too. Stuart, all done.
Yep.
It's looking nice, it's looking nice. This here is literally a masterclass in engineering, fabrication, exhaust work. I'm calling that artwork, bro.
I appreciate it. It's been a long day, but
yeah.
Got it done.
Exactly.
It's nice as well because it's all mandrel bent tubing, done in-house. You know, like everything you see here has just been built in-house. So
Yeah.
it's your OG specs.
Damn right, OG specs, guys. OG spec titanium. Tell me who else you know who's got a titanium exhaust on their Integra. Bro, do you want to tell them about weight now? Because obviously that is the party piece for this.
Yeah.
It's super light, right?
It's pretty crazy, to be fair. It's like, I don't know if you can really...
Look at that. Can you gauge? What would you say weight-wise?
2, maybe 3
kg.
Like,
So-
it really is.
Yeah, it is. Look at that.
Super light. Even the silencers, like, to be honest, not much more.
Yeah. So we're
It's
saying
definitely a sub 10 kilo
exhaust there.
easily.
So yeah, sub 10 kg, guys. I mean, your still equivalent would be at least double, maybe triple. Who knows?
Yeah. 2.5.
I might be bigging it up a little bit.
Yeah.
10 times heavier.
10,000 tons.
But regardless, guys, what we have here is a bit of artwork. It's light, it's functional, and it's going to have its own unique sound too.
For sure, yeah. Titanium has like, it's obviously it's got its own sound, but I just love it. It's,
You know, yeah.
It's like tinny, but I don't know, it's almost like really hard, so you just hear all of the exhaust notes.
Yeah. Well, this is my first titanium exhaust, so you know.
It won't be your last. It's
hopefully not.
addictive.
Hopefully not. So anyway, bro, listen, I won't stop you for too long. We want to hear this bad boy. Everyone wants to hear it. So I'll let you crack on, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice one, bro. Wicked. So it is that time. As you see, the car is now off the ramp. The full bespoke titanium exhaust is on the car, and it's about time for the first start. So, Stuart, let's start this bad boy up. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. So we've got to let it warm up a little bit, but as you can see, we went for the straight cut rear end, or the straight cut tip. This will naturally get some colour in it as heat goes through it too. So that's what we got. We're just gonna let it tick over, but as you can see, we have a car with an exhaust, not only an exhaust, a titanium exhaust. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit and then give it some rev. All right, guys, so she's warm. Stuart, give us some revs, brother. Give us some more. Oh shit. That is a nice sounding exhaust. IWS all the way, titanium, baby. Living the dream. Bro, you might as well lock her off, man. Yeah. Bro, all I can say is thank you so much. We finally have a car. Guys, I've got to say, since I had this car, or since it's been turboed, been driving it around with no exhaust, now we have a tuned, lovely sounding exhaust. Titanium exhaust. Yeah. Bespoke exhaust. Thank you so much, brother.
That's right.
Really appreciate it, man.
Pleasure. It's just nice to be able to help you out, really. And
thank you, bro.
You know, you're the best that's available. So.
That's it, that's it. Guys, IWS all the way. As you see, I'm totally blown away by my exhaust. I can't thank these guys enough down here at IWS. As you've seen today, the process that goes into making such an exhaust is just, it's crazy. And you know, the amount of craftsmanship and time it takes is mad. So, bro, I take my hat off to you. Thank you again, Rob Happy. Guys, listen, we're gonna end the video here. If you have enjoyed today, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, stay tuned for the first drive video, as that will be coming very, very soon. Also, any inquiries into exhaust from IWS Developments, make sure you check the links below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.